It can move over 100 yards of material at a time.
Mining has always been about digging up the Earth's hidden treasures. But as technology has evolved, so have the machines we use to dig them up. Today, we have some of the most powerful and massive machines ever created to reach these valuable resources. There are enormous diggers, and there are specialized vehicles that move tons of material. It's the sheer scale of these machines that will truly surprise you. These are the top 15 biggest mining machines in the world. Number 15. Liebherr LR 13,000. First up, we have the world's most powerful conventional crawler crane, designed to tackle the toughest lifting jobs. This beast can lift a staggering maximum load of 3,000 tons, making it the heaviest lifting crane out there. It stands tall with a hoist height of 774 feet and boasts a maximum reach of 655 feet. But that's just the start. Its main boom stretches to nearly 400 feet, while the luffing jib adds another 413 feet, making it the ultimate tool for massive, high-stakes lifts. What sets the LR 13,000 apart is its ability to operate without derrick ballast, a feature that not only enhances its flexibility, but also cuts down on setup time. With its innovative turntable ballast, it can handle the heaviest hoists while quickly shifting between lighter and heavier lifts. This makes the crane both powerful and efficient, ideal for massive projects that require precision and speed. When it comes to transport, the LR 13,000 uses specialized concrete ballast slabs that can be moved at low cost in 20-foot twist-lock containers, making it easy to get this giant where it is needed most. Safety is built into its design, too. The crane comes with redundant drive units, ensuring it's always operational even if something goes wrong. This fail-safe feature is critical when the stakes are as high as they are with heavy lift projects, like installing the jack-up legs on the Aeolus, a vessel designed for offshore wind farm construction. For this task, the LR 13,000 was equipped with the power boom system for the first time, allowing it to lift and install jack-up legs weighing up to 1,000 tons. The true power of the LR 13,000 shines when you look at how quickly it can get the job done. Originally expected to take 4 weeks, the crane completed the job in just 12 days. And while this was a crazy machine, this next one features a different kind of power. Number 14. BelAZ 75710. BelAZ 75710 is the world's largest dump truck, crafted by Belarusian Auto Works. Revealed in December of 2014, this engineering marvel was designed to carry an incredible 450 tons in one load. To put that into perspective, it's as long as 2 double-decker buses lined up end to end and weighs more than a fully loaded Airbus A380. If you were to stand next to one of its 8 tires, you'd barely reach halfway up unless you're at least 6 feet, 7 inches tall. But this one isn't just about size. It is built for heavy-duty performance. With 8 massive tires, each capable of supporting up to 102 tons, the truck itself weighs around 770 tons when empty. It runs on a diesel-electric system powered by 2 16-cylinder diesel engines, which generate enough power to drive 4 electric motors. This gives the truck a peak torque of 13,738 foot-pounds, which is roughly 24 times the torque of a Formula One car. Despite its size and power, the BelAZ 75710 isn't a gas guzzler. Its fuel consumption stands at around a gallon for every 5.53 miles it covers, but it has a clever design feature. One engine can run when it's not fully loaded, saving fuel. And in case one of its electric motors fails, the truck can still make it back to a repair center, thanks to its all-wheel drive system. This behemoth is no slouch when it comes to handling steep terrain either. It can tackle gradients up to 18% and reach a top speed of 40 miles per hour. With a turning radius of just 65 feet, it's surprisingly maneuverable for a truck of its colossal size, making it an essential part of large-scale mining operations. And while that is pretty impressive, this next bulldozer is engineered for demanding tasks that require both precision and power. Number 13. Caterpillar D11. The Caterpillar D11 is a bulldozer designed to handle the most demanding jobs in industries like mining, quarrying, and large-scale construction. Its latest model, the D11T, features a powerful Cat EC 32 engine that delivers 850 horsepower. This massive machine weighs about 248,500 pounds and stretches over 35 feet long when fully equipped with a blade and ripper. The D11 can tackle almost any job with its range of blade options, including straight, universal, and coal blades. Plus, it can be outfitted with multi-shank rippers for breaking through tough soil. But it's not just about size and strength. Over the years, the D11 has been upgraded with advanced technology, making it more efficient and easier to operate. Features like automated blade assist reduce fatigue for the operator, while the 3D GPS-based grade control ensures the machine operates with high precision. The D11 also features safety enhancements, including fire suppression systems and CAT's Star Object Detection Radar. Inside the CAT, comfort is a priority, with an air suspension seat and low-effort controls that make handling the machine precise and comfortable. The undercarriage helps absorb impact, reducing shocks and providing a smoother ride. On the performance side, the D11 is designed to increase efficiency. With load-sensing hydraulics and a new torque divider, the machine delivers faster responses and better fuel efficiency. It can even boost productivity by up to 8% thanks to high-power reverse speeds, cutting down on cycle times. Now, let us switch gears to something that breaks down the toughest materials with ease. Number 12. Metso Lokotrack LT 200 Mobile Crusher. This mobile crusher is especially designed for crushing large chunks of material once it's been extracted from the ground. This is an essential step in mining operations where material needs to be broken down into manageable sizes. The LT200 stands out because of its mobility, making it convenient for use on different parts of a worksite. With a length of 51 feet, a width of 9 feet, and a height of 11 feet, this crusher weighs in at just over 35 tons. This mobile cone crusher isn't just about size. Powered by a 415 horsepower CAT engine, it's built for efficiency and power. It features the Nordberg HP200 crushing unit, which is designed to handle tough materials with ease. With an opening of about 7 inches, the crusher is capable of processing material quickly, allowing for almost continuous operation thanks to its conveyor belt system. Not to mention, the LT200 is also capable of producing a variety of materials used in construction, such as ballast for railways and asphalt for roads. The machine is designed with user convenience in mind. It comes with an IC process control system, allowing operators to stay connected and manage the system remotely, which improves both safety and productivity. Additionally, the crusher has a hydraulic drive and a fuel-efficient transmission system that helps to reduce operational costs. For those working in tough environments, the LT200 is equipped with features like heavy-duty tracks and a durable frame, ensuring reliability even in challenging conditions. But what if I told you there is a machine that digs with a reach you cannot even imagine? Number 11. Liberty Bucyrus 8200 Walking Dragline. The Bucyrus 8200 is a powerful electric rope dragline excavator used for overburden removal at mining sites. With a bucket capacity ranging from 50 to 60 cubic yards, it's a hefty machine, designed for high productivity and large-scale mining operations. The dragline boasts a boom that reaches approximately 328 feet, enabling it to cover significant distances while excavating. Depending on the configuration, it weighs between 8 and 9 million pounds, making it one of the heaviest in the industry. One of the standout features of this machine is its electric drive system, which uses advanced AC technology. This is a step up from older DC-powered models. The system provides up to 10% more energy efficiency than traditional DC machines, and because it has fewer parts that require regular maintenance, the Bucyrus 8200 keeps operational costs lower and uptime higher. Not to mention, it also integrates smart technologies, such as the CAT MineStar system, which provides equipment, health monitoring, and real-time terrain guidance, improving both machine performance and safety on site. Originally built by Bucyrus, a company known for its expertise in dragline design dating back to the early 20th century, the Bucyrus 8200 continues to be supported under the Caterpillar brand, following its acquisition of Bucyrus in the early 2010s. This continued legacy of dragline technology means that the Bucyrus 8200 remains a reliable choice for miners, maintaining a long service life with a reputation for strong performance across various environmental conditions. And if you think draglines are all about size, then Big Musky might just change your perspective. Number 10. Big Musky. Built by none other than Bucyrus Erie in the late 60s, standing nearly as tall as a 22-story building. This colossal machine weighed a staggering 27 million pounds and was the largest of its kind ever constructed. It was designed specifically for the Central Ohio Coal Company to help extract coal from vast, hilly terrain. Due to the size of the mine, a dragline was far more suitable than a shovel, and it was also ideal for meeting the company's reclamation goals. The machine was equipped with an enormous bucket, capable of holding 220 cubic yards of earth, roughly the size of a 12-car garage. Moving such a machine required a monumental effort, so over 200 rail cars and 260 trucks were needed to transport the parts to Ohio. Once all the pieces arrived, it took a total of 200,000 man-hours to assemble Big Musky, which went into service in 1969. During its 22 years of operation, Big Musky was a workhorse, capable of removing up to 8,000 yards of overburden per hour. In fact, by the time it was retired in 1991, the machine had moved more earth than was required to build the Panama Canal, twice over. This immense task wasn't without its challenges, though. Powered by electricity and requiring a complex system of motors and cables, it consumed enough energy to power 27,000 homes. The electricity came through a special trailing cable, and some systems were electro-hydraulic, but the main drives were electric. However, in the early 90s, Big Musky's operations slowed down as environmental regulations and shifting demand for coal made it increasingly unprofitable to maintain. Despite some efforts to find it a new home, the machine was eventually scrapped in 1999. The only piece left intact was its massive bucket, which now stands as a monument to the machine's power and the history of coal mining at Miners Memorial Park in McConnellsville, Ohio. Next up is a wheel loader that can move mountains, literally. Number 9. Komatsu P&H L2350. The Komatsu P&H L2350 wheel loader is a powerful machine that has earned its place among the giants of mining equipment. Originally developed by Latourneau Inc., the L2350 changed hands over the years. First acquired by Marathon, then Rowan Companies, and eventually Joy Global in 2011, it was Joy Global that gave the machine its current name, the P&H L2350. In 2017, Komatsu acquired Joy Global, making it the current owner of this remarkable piece of equipment. This wheel loader is specifically designed for use in surface mining, where it plays a crucial role in loading ultra-class haul trucks, capable of carrying up to 400 tons of material. Weighing in at 260 tons, the L2350 is powered by a 16-cylinder, 60-liter Cummins turbocharged diesel engine, which generates up to 2,300 horsepower. The loader's bucket has an impressive capacity of 53 cubic yards, allowing it to handle massive loads with ease. It can lift up to 80 tons of material to a height of 24 feet, reaching a distance of up to 11.5 feet. This means the L2350 can fill a large haul truck in just 5 scoops, an efficiency that's hard to match. Despite its immense capabilities, it is surprisingly cost-effective for a machine of its size and power. With a price tag between $1.5 and $2 million, it costs less than the haul trucks it serves. But what if you could dig even deeper with something bigger? Number 8. Caterpillar 6090 FS. Next on the list is a massive crawler excavator, first introduced in 2013, the Caterpillar 6090 FS. Of all the hydraulic mining shovels available, the one that currently holds the record for the greatest capacity. Said by the company to represent the peak of their engineering capabilities, this twin-engine machine comes packed with features such as an independent oil cooling system, a closed-loop swing circuit, and a twin-engine design to ensure it can keep operating even if there's an engine failure. The 6090 FS has an operating weight of 1,102 tons and a bucket capacity of more than 100 tons, meaning it's able to completely fill Caterpillar's largest dump truck design in just 4 passes. Of course, to lift such huge weights, the 2 Cummins engines are powerful and produce up to 4,500 horsepower. It measures 44 feet long, 32 feet wide, and 33 feet tall, and weighs an impressive 1,000 tons, making it one of the largest hydraulic shovels ever built. You won't be seeing one of these on public roads, but that's probably for the best, considering it only has a top speed of a few miles per hour. But the true power of this machine lies in its digging capabilities. It boasts a tear-out force of 2,502 kilonewtons, a dredging depth of nearly 8 feet, and a reach that extends over 63 feet horizontally. This excavator is equipped with a bucket that has a width of 20 feet and a capacity of 52 cubic yards. To power such a massive machine, it relies on 2 Cummins QSK60 engines, each delivering 4,500 horsepower. Together, they provide a total output of 3,360 kilowatts, ensuring that the machine has all the muscle it needs for heavy-duty digging. Speaking of powerful machines, the Hitachi EX8007 is a beast built to handle the toughest mining conditions. Number 7. Hitachi EX8007. The Hitachi EX8007 is one of the largest excavators in the world, designed for heavy-duty work in demanding mining environments. With 2 electric motors delivering over 1,600 horsepower combined, it can handle nearly any task on a large-scale job site. The machine's hydraulic system, powered by 16 variable displacement pumps, allows it to dig and move material with incredible efficiency. The EX8007 can be equipped with either a loading shovel or backhoe attachment, offering a bucket capacity ranging from 56 to nearly 69 cubic yards. This flexibility allows it to adapt to different digging profiles, whether it's scooping up loose dirt or digging into tougher material. It also offers an impressive reach of over 60 feet with the loading shovel and nearly 70 feet with the backhoe, and can dig to depths of over 25 feet. Even with its enormous size, standing at nearly 40 feet wide and weighing between 808,000 and 820,000 pounds, the EX8007 is built with fuel efficiency in mind, thanks to advanced technology that helps minimize fuel consumption during its continuous operations. In terms of safety, the EX8007 is designed to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring that it can handle the constant wear and tear of a high-performance mining environment. And now, what if I tell you about a truck capable of carrying more than you ever thought possible? Number 6. Caterpillar 797F. Another heavyweight in the mining world is the Caterpillar 797F. This beast measures nearly 50 feet long, 32 feet wide, and stands just over 51 feet tall, making it one of the largest trucks on the planet. The 797F isn't just big, it is built to carry up to 330 cubic yards of material, equivalent to about 26 dump truck loads. At the heart of this massive machine is a turbocharged 20-cylinder engine, the CAT C17520, capable of producing an astounding 4,000 horsepower. This engine ensures that the truck can conquer even the toughest terrains, including high-altitude environments where oxygen levels are low. When empty, the 797F weighs in at around 924 tons, but loaded up, and the weight can soar to an eye-watering 1,324 tons. Yet, despite this enormous weight, it can still hit speeds of up to 39.5 miles per hour. An impressive feat for a truck of its size, especially on rough dirt roads. Caterpillar has also fine-tuned the truck's efficiency. Its extended maintenance intervals mean it spends less time in the shop and more time getting the job done. With its optimized braking systems, durable parts, and a suspension built to endure the harshest conditions, the 797F delivers impressive uptime. In fact, it boasts a physical availability of over 90%, ensuring that mines stay up and running without costly delays. But bulldozers are built to tackle even more than just hauling. Number 5. Komatsu D575, a 3 Superdozer. The Komatsu D575, a 3 Superdozer, built by Komatsu Limited in Osaka, Japan, holds the title of the world's largest production bulldozer. This colossal machine is the third iteration of a series that first launched in 1989, quickly becoming a common sight on surface mines in the United States, Australia, and Japan. With a length of 38 feet, a width of 24 feet, and a height of 16 feet, it weighs in at a staggering 144 tons and can tip the scales even heavier in certain configurations. At the heart of this massive dozer is a 12-cylinder, 4-stroke turbocharged engine designed specifically by Komatsu to deliver a formidable 1,150 horsepower. This power enables the D575A3 to move up to 90 cubic yards of material in a single pass. For heavier tasks, it can push as much as 125 cubic yards with an optional blade. When equipped with a single shank ripper, it is also capable of digging to a depth of 6 feet, making it ideal for breaking through tough terrain. Transporting such a behemoth is not easy. Due to its sheer size, the dozer has to be disassembled and shipped in pieces, requiring up to 8 trucks to transport it to its destination. But for large-scale mining operations, the effort is worth it. The D575A3 is designed with a rugged hydraulic system, powertrain, and frame that work seamlessly together to ensure reliability and productivity. Its automatic torque converter lockup system boosts fuel efficiency, while the resilient undercarriage reduces vibrations for smoother operation on uneven ground. Up next is an electric rope shovel that completely transforms efficiency on mining sites. Number 4. Komatsu P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel. The 4800 XPC is a powerhouse of an electric rope shovel designed by Komatsu Mining, boasting the largest capacity in the mining industry. This giant can handle a payload of 135 tons and load ultra-class haul trucks, each with a capacity of 400 tons in just 3 passes. Its design focuses on speed, efficiency, and reducing operating costs while maintaining consistent performance. This means faster digging, higher productivity, and less time spent waiting for equipment to load. What makes this shovel stand out is its use of the latest technology to optimize power usage. With features like adaptive controls, the shovel increases its digging power by up to 9%, all while reducing the strain on the machine and preventing excess wear. The machine is built to handle massive volumes of material. With a dipper capacity ranging from 86 to 92 cubic yards, the 4800 XPC can move an impressive amount of material up to 12,950 tons per hour. Its massive size is evident when you look at the dimensions. The working height reaches about 35 feet, and the maximum dump reach extends over 63 feet. The shovel is equipped with advanced modular systems in the crowd, swing, propel, and hoist mechanisms, making it durable and efficient in even the harshest conditions. Also, it uses 2 low-inertia AC motors for the crowd system, cutting down on shock loading and improving responsiveness. The swing system is driven by planetary gear cases, ensuring quick and smooth cycle times. The propel system is designed for rapid repositioning, which translates into faster cycle times and more efficient digging. Its hoist system includes a large 68-inch drum for extended rope life and easy rope changes. Number 3. Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60. Then there is F60, a series of 5 massive overburden conveyor bridges used in the Lusatian coalfields of Germany, specifically in brown coal mining operations. The F60 name comes from the machine's ability to cut through overburden up to 60 meters, or about 200 feet, in height. Built by Tackraff, a German company between 1969 and 1991, these machines are some of the largest ever constructed. Their primary purpose is to remove overburden, which is the earth covering the coal seams, in order to expose the coal below. When fully assembled, it is a true giant, standing about 260 feet tall and stretching across a width of nearly 800 feet. The length of the entire structure reaches an impressive 1,647 feet, which is longer than the Eiffel Tower's height by over 178 feet. The machine is powered by 2 electric motors, each capable of producing over 1,800 horsepower. It draws electricity from nearby coal power plants, running on a system of 6,000 feet of cables. Though it moves slowly, about half a mile per hour, its efficiency is unmatched. The F60 uses a system of bucket chain excavators to prepare the material for transport, with each excavator capable of shifting an incredible 29,000 cubic yards of overburden every hour. This equals about 50,000 tons of earth, enough to fill a football field to a height of about 26 feet. When fully operational, the F60 can move up to 130 million cubic yards of overburden per year. And next, there's one of the most colossal giants of mining. Number 2. Bagger 2. 88. This bucket wheel excavator was built by the German company Krupp in 1978. With a price tag of over $100 million, it was designed to make surface mining more efficient and is, to this day, one of the largest land vehicles in the world. This mammoth excavator stretches a massive 722 feet in length, reaches a height of 315 feet, and is 151 feet wide. Weighing in at 13,500 tons, It demands some pretty serious designing to ensure it doesn't sink or damage the earth beneath it. That's where its 12 caterpillar tracks come into play. Each track spans a width of nearly 12 feet, spreading its weight and allowing it to move without leaving deep impressions on the surface. The tracks keep it gliding at a modest speed of just 3 to 10 feet per minute. At around 71 feet in diameter, this wheel has 18 buckets, each capable of holding 6.5 cubic meters of material. Every day, the Bagger 288 can remove 240,000 cubic meters of earth, or overburden, equivalent to digging a football field to a depth of 98 feet. Incredible as it sounds, the amount of material extracted each day would fill 2,400 coal wagons. And while this beast is electric, it doesn't come with an onboard power supply. It relies on an external power source with over 1 mile of cables, thicker than a man's arm, feeding it the energy it needs. The electricity it consumes daily is equivalent to the needs of a small town of 20,000 people. Designed for open-pit mining, it also requires 4 conveyor belts to carry the extracted material, each one over 10 feet wide and moving at speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour. Originally built with a 40-year lifespan in mind, the Bagger 288 is still going strong, and experts believe it could last another decade before needing significant upgrades. But not long after this came its successor, which was far more advanced and even bigger in size. Number 1. Bagger 293. Last but not least, we have the world's biggest bucket wheel excavator, built by the German company Takraf in 1995. Not only is it the largest mining machine still in use today, but it also holds the title of the largest land vehicle ever built. As a bucket wheel excavator, it continuously removes layers of overburden in surface mining. Its giant wheel, with a series of buckets, scoops up material as it rotates, making it one of the most efficient machines in its class. Bagger 293 can shift around 240,000 tons of soil each day. To give you a sense of its immense size, this behemoth stands nearly 314 feet tall, equivalent to a 28-story building, and spans 738 feet in length, longer than 2 football fields placed end to end. Weighing in at 14,200 tons, it's heavier than the Eiffel Tower. The bucket wheel itself is almost 70 feet wide, equipped with 18 enormous buckets, each capable of holding 520 cubic feet of material. These buckets are so large, they could easily scoop enough soil to fill a cargo van. Powering such a colossal machine requires an enormous energy supply. The excavator is equipped with an electric motor that produces about 8,600 horsepower. Additionally, an external coal power plant provides over 10 megawatts of power, bringing the total output to around 22,207 horsepower. This immense power is required to operate the machine's 12 caterpillar tracks, enabling it to move at a top speed of about 33 feet per minute, just faster than a slow walk. Despite its slow pace, Bagger 293 has been in near-continuous operation at a brown coal mine near Hambach, Germany, since 1995. It requires only 5 people to operate, and even though it has been shifting soil for nearly 3 decades, it is expected to remain in service for at least another decade, continuing its essential role in the mining industry. And there you have it, 15 of the biggest mining machines on the planet. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts below, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content.